The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Jeff, very good morning to you. Deepak, good morning. Thank you, Deepak. Chris, good morning. Guys, we're finally getting a pullback. Greg, Mimi, Brian, morning, guys. Gold has had a big run. NASDAQ headed down 67. We could see 500 area today. Yeah. Good morning, Salem. Yeah, absolutely, Brian. I mean, good morning, Becky. Same to you as well. Good morning, Lee. Good to hear. Jim in San Diego, good morning. Guys, very good morning. If I missed it, nice job. Up 600 using order flow. You're very welcome, Salem. Guys, if I missed anybody, we have 161 in the room at this point, so good morning. I apologize if I missed anybody in my good mornings, but today is Thursday, July 8th. Good morning. Yeah, it's nice here for now. But to guys, today we come in with good morning, John. Market's down a pretty good bit. Dow futures down 518 at the moment. 518. Bonds are just getting shellacked. Yields are. Dow futures down 64 points, 64 handles. NASDAQ's off 222. We're down about 1.5% across the board, except for the Russell, which is off 42, down 1.9%. VIX futures are up 12% at 2027. VIX cash is up 28% at 2084. Last I looked, gold was up around, it still is, around $12. Guys, today looks like we could have a volatile session. I would encourage you to trade smaller, maybe micros, your prerogative. I expect that the NASDAQ will be somewhat insane at the open. We do have some news today, quite a bit actually. We have non-farm payrolls, continuing and initial jobless claims. We have crude inventory probably at 11, and we have natural gas inventories at 10:30. So we do have news. The goal today, as every day, let's make some money and get on with our day. NASDAQ over 4,000 net sellers at the moment. We do have a trend line that we could trade down to somewhere around 450 area, another 100 handles lower. 21 daily moving average comes in at 375 on the NASDAQ. So we'll pay attention to those areas. But over 4,000 net sellers. Good morning, Stephen. So far. Gold, 1,500 buyers. I'm looking to buy pullbacks. Caleb, good morning. And crude, about 900 sellers at the moment. It looks like we're going to get a close below. We do have a close below VWAP. Crude's a short. We could get a small pullback up, but crude's going to short. Let's see if we have anything to trade to. Maybe down to 71.20 slowly, 14 area. Block sellers on crude. And the ES has almost 16,000 net sellers overnight. Big volume. Higher than our daily average. NASDAQ, same thing. 130,000 contracts have traded. Unfinished auction at 64.50. I don't show it, but trade to it if you got it. If we break 70, this is going to get, well, 67 has been support. Watch that 67 area. Where 67 is support. It's S3. NQ back to 450. I think we can go to 450. Good morning, Greg. I think NASDAQ can sell to 450, yeah. I don't know that we get a straight line short, but if you look at a daily chart, and I've got it on my TradeStation chart, there is a trend line, daily trend line that comes into play right about 435, 440. And then the 21 EMA on the daily comes in at 359. So I mean, there is room to the downside. I do expect volatility. The VIX is up significantly. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, guys. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to the trade. Please trade according to your own accounts and your tolerance for risk. Anybody get filled? Again, I should have hit market. Other than Todd? Anybody grab gold? Okay, Greg. Target 1 is this unfinished auction right here at 16. There it is. Now it's free trade. If this breaks above that high of the day, this thing's going to go skapooey. Nice job, Todd. In off a small buy zone. Nice. Well, target 1 hit. Looks like we could trade up to 18 where the big offer is anyways. Copper might be interesting off the bottom. Dollar index beat to death. Copper looks like a long. Anybody interested in Compa? That lip in the profile's a little unnerving, but wouldn't it be funny if they come in and buy them all back? Lewis, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Wouldn't it be funny if they buy all these back today? By 12:30, the bots made 890 in Sim using the TD Renko. Those of you guys that see if gold can break out here, fellas. No. And I don't think we've been saying this for months on these markets. Been saying it for months, right? My stop is wrong. NASDAQ's finding buyers. Guys, we could trade back up to 710. 710. Kayla, I don't know if the sell-off is or is not done. I have no way of knowing. I only can tell you I trade what I see, not what I think. If I traded what I thought, I'd be short from 14,000. So I have no idea. I can only tell you what I see. Well, yeah, exactly. But I mean, does it matter? I mean, honestly, does it matter if it's up or down 1,000 points? Does it matter? I mean, it matters if you're long and it's down 250 points, then you're, uh-oh. I mean, if you're not in a position now, does it matter if it goes to 13,500? I don't care. Other than I picked a bad week to stop sniffing glue. Oh, so you are long. Oldie but goodie, Greg. Oldie but goodie. Ah, okay. So you're long. Gotcha. No. Airplane, not stripes. Airplane. And don't call me Shirley. That's from the movie Airplane. Fletch was a great movie. Another great movie. Morning, Dave. Yeah, Lloyd Bridges. Yeah, that's right. Lloyd Bridges. Captain over, Captain under. Overdone. uh, Good times, guys. Good times. Now I got to watch movies. And Leon is getting larger. Now I got to watch movies about some transvestite wanting to be governor of California. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. That's real. It's trying, guys. I mean, it gave us 10 ticks exactly. That's it. Come on, gold. Go get you some. Order filled. I would not be surprised to see NASDAQ trade back up over 700 today. Target filled. That's NASDAQ guys on the bot. First target filled, NASDAQ. Yep, that's it. Same trade, Caleb. My charts are no, my charts aren't frozen. Guys, are my charts frozen? Can you see the 72 long or short? All right, crude. Gold. I'm gonna kill. It broke out. It gave me 10 ticks and didn't go to my target. We could probably pull back to 16. That'll be all I'm giving it. I've not been watching crude. Come on, gold. NASDAQ's building some volume here. Look at the candle. All right, guys, I'm done with gold. I'm out. I could regret that, but I can buy it back. It gave 10 ticks. Is it? The NASDAQ bot is still long. It's got first target. That's it. I've moved stop to break even. I would leave stop on the trailing stop, but who knows what we get at the open. Russell would be in a short if I had it on. I don't. I mean, we may get a pullback on the open, Lewis. ES 4,500 mid-August. Wouldn't shock me, Dana. Let's see here. Chris, you said, so when you buy crypto from Coinbase, they immediately put you into the coin you purchase, but lock your funds for 7 to 9 days. During that period, you can't go to cash and you're forced holding the position. I do have a Coinbase account. I didn't know that, but I'm not buying anything. You're forced holding Bitcoin. All right, guys, I'm out of the NASDAQ. I didn't know that, Chris. It does seem illegal. I mean, are there any rules in crypto, though? I mean, all right, guys. We got longs. They went from a negative delta to a positive. We're longs. See if we can get we're going to have to break through 18 on NASDAQ. First target filled on Russell bot. I'll let it trail. Second target hit would be filled. It's just auto trailing now, guys. Sellers back in. Let it settle down on the NASDAQ. ES is straight bid. Let's see YM. Yeah, YM caught a big bid. Okay. I'll move this off. Trailing stop is above entry, so I'm going to move this off screen. Crude is bid. NASDAQ, nothing. Going to be out in the Russell momentarily on that runner. Sellers back in. We're coming down, I think, fellas. Yep. All right, you can try a NASDAQ short. If you guys are okay with volatility, your stops are going to be big. It's still sellers, but volatility is tough, fellas. We're holding 67. All right, we're going up. 5 minute, we're going up. We still have to get through 17 quarter. I can't even follow it yet on I can't follow. That's out on the Russell. I can't follow it yet on order flow. It's too. The candles are too big. All right, I'm going to take a long on NASDAQ. Trade it as you see fit. I'm lagging. I can see it. Yeah, no, I'm still lagging. No, lag is on my end too. Yeah. God dang it. 05. We broke 18. We got to 25. I'm pretty close now, I think. Yeah, it is. It's crazy. There's no question. But they're they're buying them. I can see, there's buyers in here. I'm trying to get to 45, 46 is where I'd like to see this NASDAQ go. Next candle coming now. We should go now. Come on, get above 31 and we go 40. We're going to pull back to 92. If we do, that's another entry. I don't know that it does or does not, but all right, guys, this is a little nuts for me. Got buyers. 130, 40, 50. Negative delta's decreasing. Yes. All right, there's target one. I still think we're going to trade up to 45, 46 if you're patient. We're down to 2,600 net sellers. 26 and a quarter. Let's see if we can get below 26 and buy them up. We're holding this same basic area so far. Target is 45 or so. Target is 45. If anybody had the gumption to take this trade and sit with it, target is 45. Trade them as you see fit, but I want to get out about 45.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
That's where I'm hoping to get out. Hit your daily goal already, Greg? Nice. No spectators at the Olympics in Tokyo. See you Friday. Nice job, Greg. No spectators at the Olympics in Tokyo. State of emergency. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Get up above 22. Now let's take this swing at 31 and go get our target. Hit 2 times daily goal. You're a private pilot. You're going flying. All right, Deepak. What kind of plane do you fly? Cessna? Is that a single engine? All right. Come on, NASDAQ. Go get 45. You can do it. Oh, you're instrument rated? Nice. Who likes volatility? We like volatility. Come on, rat dog. Guys, I think we can go to 700. Now, I don't know that we do that in a straight line, but I think we can get to 700. I think we're going to 700, Caleb. I mean, again, I don't know that it's a straight line, but we got close to my target. We got to 42. We're down to 1,600 net sellers. They're buying them all back from 4,000. All right, I'm going to close this out here. No, not yet. If it breaks at 19, I'll be done because it'll come down. I still like the long side. We're at 1,680 net sellers, 1,620, 1,640. If you guys are watching Delta. And yes, I know I'm missing trades all over Hell's Half Acre, but unfortunately, guys, as chaotic as the NASDAQ is here, I can't do but. All right. I killed it, fellas. I killed it for now. Back up over 1,700. That's fine. We've come from 4,000 down to 1,700. Let it work itself out. Let me just take a look at some stocks. Well, now we have 3 red stocks. One Reddit kid stock, Workhorse, is up 43 cents. NEM is up 20 cents. And Space is up 43 cents. Red across the board. Let's see if we can find something to trade. Gold is getting a bounce off blue. Wasn't paying much attention to gold. And there goes the bounce in SPY. I really want to see 40 area hold. We're back up 2,400. The selling is not enormous, guys. I mean, they bought back 12, almost 2,000 contracts, sold back about 800. Yes, it's failing at the moment. And the SPY is puking again. All right, let's see, guys. Let's see what we can come up with here. Candles are still, big bid here is at 55. 83 to buy. And you have 93 down at 50. The big offer is only 34, 35 contracts. God, if he stays, 81 cars is a decent trade. I don't think we come much lower. We'll see. And he's down to 77, 78. He's filled. He's filled. And he got filled up here at 50. So let's see. Watch 50. 300 contract buyer. I'm going to take a long off that guy. He better be real or I'm going to be pissed. 195. 300 showed up here. 300. 210. There you go. Target 1 filled. Where is that son of a gun? He's running them up. 200 to buy. 214. 218. Let it go. Whee! That's a wheezy. Out on the ES. Everybody good on that trade? Guys? Thank you, Chris. All right, guys. Let him go, fellas. Look, he's still here. 200. He's at 80. Look. Buying them all back, boys. $200 seller just showed up here with blocks. Let's see where my big guy is. He's all the way down. He has 28 contracts. You're welcome, Don. Nice catch, guys. I know it was quick. I mean, he just showed up. He just popped in. He wasn't sitting there. The flow knows. That's right. That was Chris. You hit the mark. That's right. There we go, fellas. Let's see if we can get this sucker up to 700. We're into resistance up here. It's fine. We're back down to 1600. Man, they just beat the living crapola out of shorts. They just roasted these shorts. That had to hurt. That had to hurt. He did. He just showed up. He wasn't sitting there. Let's see if what he's got now. 25 is the big bid. Let's see where our big offer is. Big offer is all the way up at 635, 63 contracts. Absolutely right. Guys, this is a monster. Nice job, Lori. $1,000 again. Done for the day. Nice job. Yeah, these market makers are the worst. They are the worst. He was trapped. Nice job, Dave. $2,000 trade. Nice job. Nice job. I mean, there's no reason not to be in the trade at this point, guys. I mean, no reason to be out of the trade yet. Let's see if he steps up again. 45 here. Let's get to 650. Come on, 650. We almost got there on that last move to 41. Nice job, Marco. Nice job. Guys, we don't go to the bathroom, though, in the first 45 minutes of trading. Just putting that out there. Paul. Guys, I locked in 40 handles. I don't think we come back that far, but you've got a 126 offer at 26.20. I could be I don't think I am. Still back to 1600. Guys, I tell you, I would not be surprised they buy these all back. Would not shock me today. Got to get this offer out of here. Now he's dropping. He's pushing them down. They got to bid through 05 again. Come on, get rid of this Klonsky. Got 103 for sale at 05. He's gone. He's jumped to 10. He's gone again. 143 buyer with blocks. Where did this little idiot go? He's back up to 20. Now he's gone. 30. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's buy him back. 1,700 more. There we go. They bought him again at 10. They bought 10 again. No more buyers. We're starting to pinch up here. We really need a move back up above 17 to keep this going. And then trade back up into 40. They bought some more at 10. Selling them as well. If we pop that 17, we'll go again. Next 15-minute candle in 123. There we go. Come on. Take this swing now here at 22. We go again. That's it. Down below 1,600. Get 1,300 in the trade, fellas. 1,400 in the trade. 1,500 in the trade. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? We're running this offer up the pole. Oh, you were already in. Okay, guys. This is a one and done, fellas. $1,500. One car. Okay, guys. Let's go to VWAP, which has been put below 1,000 sellers, guys. Below 1,000 sellers. Thank you, Jeff. We're below 1,000. They buy back this last grand, and this thing, I'm telling you, would go to 700. 710. I don't know about 800 today, but 710. Failed VWAP. We expect that. Oh, they bought them right back up. Down below 900. Down, come on, get below 800. Keep this son of a gun going. $1,800 runner, guys. Dun, da, da, da. Stop, I put it 04. Thank you, Dave. Got to get through that 50 area. If we get above 49, we're going 750. We got to get above 50, 51. We go 750 today. 51 is kind of our big, no. I don't want to see us give up 16. Seriously, if we can get above about 51, it's on autopilot. to 750, 725. All right, guys. I am going to be out in a second here. Come on, hold that bottom. Come on. Bunch of offers. It's probably the same guy. One big bid here, 33. Come on, show me 200 bid again, 300 bid, whatever the hell he was, 300 and something. I can't wait to watch this video again.
Order filled.
Something filled. Not the NASDAQ. RTY. Long on the bot. Hang on one second, guys. Come on, you rat bag. Let's go. Guys, I'll move the RTY bot as soon as I can.
Target filled.
First target is filled. There we go. I can move it now. First target filled on the Russell bot. Auto trails on. Picking up volume. You can see the candles are getting bigger. Let's get a candle through VWAP, and I'm complete close through VWAP, and I'm going to love this thing. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Through VWAP, buddy. Back below 1,000 sellers again. We've got to get through 50-51. Through 50-51, this thing is Gorgonzola. All right, stop is at break even on the trail. Come on, NASDAQ. Below 800 again. Come on, Nas. Thank you, Chris. Candle close above VWAP. It's over. If you're short, you're done. If you're short, you're done. Got to get through this 50, 51, 50, 51, call it. We're going to struggle at red. If you're short, you're done. Russell on the bot, still going. I locked in 18 on that trade. Bot's killing it today. Nice job, Eli. Is there anybody that bailed on the trade? Is there anybody that bailed on the trade? Traded right into this stupid red again. Yeah, I'll probably be out of this trade momentarily. And then look for another entry. The entry has to be above 51. Or else this could, we could trade right back to 567. I'm on the close, guys. Got to get back up above 30 again. We could. I don't think we do. All right, guys. On the RTY. Nice job. $3,400, Dave, on that trade. All right. So Russell, fellas, on the bot. The trailing stop is now above target 3. Trailing stop is now above target 3. All right. I'm going to close. All right, guys. I'm out. Got an M break here. I'm not really looking for short. Momentum is still, as I see it, long. Guys, give me 1 minute if you would. All right, guys, we're trying again. We're below 400. We're below 400. I mean, I think this is just a matter of time. But trade them as you see fit. I think 51, 52 is a better entry. Big buy's 80 here. That's all I see. Nice job. $4,000 is a healthy day. I will see you tomorrow. Marco's up over 2,000. Nice job. I know Lori was over 1,000. See you tomorrow. Okay, Chris. See you tomorrow, Marco. Back to 1,300. God, they had them all bought back. You're welcome, John. See you tomorrow. Nice job. Boy, Asia buys gold and we sell it. $730. I mean, Caleb, I would not be surprised to see that. That was kind of, now we're below yellow. Let's see what crude wants to do here. $743.45 looks like the entry. $30 seconds or so to the inventory. NASDAQ now below yellow. 67 should bounce it. Minus 6.9. Small short right here, 72.05. Just hit 05. Stop at 19. Anybody short 05? Target 188. If you shorted 05, target 188. Freaking NASDAQ, man. Seriously. Unbelievable. Now they're jumping out of into the close. Last 30 minutes of Europe. See where this stupid thing can come. I think we're long down here on the NASDAQ. But, God, the stop is so big.
Order submitted. Order filled.
$83.4, target 1.
Order submitted.
That's target 1. Come on. Seriously? Target 2 is 98. Target 2 is 98. Can't quite get there, fellas. Close, but no cigar. We got to 82 quarter. And I'm at 83 half. 3 ticks. Come on. Come on. Seriously? If you guys want ticks, take them. I have 83.50 as a target and then 98.
Order submitted.
That's what I have as targets. I missed this target by a couple of 3 ticks, fellas. 3 ticks. Come on, you dog. I'll get you a few hundred. There we go.
Order filled.
Got it. Finally. Target 1 filled. Target 2 is 98. I'm sorry, 89. I'm dyslexic now. 89.
Order filled.
Target 2 is filled. And now it's free. What does that mean? I prayed to dog. What's that mean, Dirk? Oh, I was dyslexic on that last target, but it got it anyways. 89, 98, it's all the same. 38, 39, whatever it takes. Greg. There you go. Anybody long? Anybody in NASDAQ? Anybody have NASDAQ? Okay, Chris. Well, it's a free trade, fellas. It is a free trade.
Order submitted.
Now I'm hoping that we can get this thing motoring and crucify some of these shorts. 6 lot, you need beer money. Ah. Thanks, Jeff. No. Today, Caleb? I would not be surprised to see this back over 700 today. Now they're going to make, I mean, we're back down below 1,000 sellers. Picking up volume. Here's the 5-minute. Look at the candle. I agree, Caleb. I agree. Hopefully we can keep this going. Anybody have runners, fellas? Chris. Nice job, guys. Chris, where are you in from? No, he's got 6. Guys, it's a big trade. 50 handles plus. One of these days. YM has VWAP. ES has VWAP. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's not go 0 for 7. Down below 900 net sellers again. I don't know. No, I know he put on 6. He's still running 6, Todd. That I know. Don't you fail VWAP again. Come on, keep it going. Come on, buyers. This might be the one, Wheezy. This might be the one, Elizabeth. Come on. Got to get above 39, and we should work back up to 53. 39.40. We go back to 53. We're going to have to blast through that stupid 48 level again. Yeah, it was. I'll tell you know what I watched yesterday late afternoon that was on? Used to love it. Hogan's Heroes. I loved that show as a kid. Yeah, unfortunately, Greg, I can't watch The View because I'm actually working here in the room. But were I not working in the room, and when I was on vacation, I spent a lot of time watching The View. I subscribe to their thoughts and views on things. Whoopi Goldberg is one of my favorites. We're going to get another damn failure. I can't believe it. I think this makes 7 failures. Clear VWAP, and then we fail again. Look at gold. How does gold sell off $20? Seriously. It's up $14 overnight and sells off 20. Oh, listen, I can't stand The View. You guys know I'm kidding. I can't stand any of the women on The View, including but not limited to John McCain's daughter. No, come on, Marco. I was kidding. Kidding? I don't think that. I don't think there's any place or any need for that show. I think they're just hateful, hateful people. Dana. Come on, you guys know I'm not a liberal. Uh-oh. Come on. That was at least a little shallow pullback. Come on, NASDAQ. Got to get above 38, fellas, for this to go anywhere. Got to clear a VWAP again. There we go. Here we go. Get 38. Come on, we're right there, dude. Failed again. Right at 37.75 or so. Yep, 37.75. It's got to clear 38. We're down to 800, just under 900 net sellers. All right. We're cleared of 38. Failed again at 38. I've got 30 handles locked here. Hey, Tommy, that's a great line. That was a great movie. uh, guys, I'm obviously, yeah, I don't know. These last 10 minutes of Europe can get stupid. And we're still struggling in the same danged area. I'd be much happier if I could get another close above VWAP. So we got to close, shallow pullback, close again, higher low on this pullback. Be nice if the bulls could find some buyers. I mean, YM is ripping, ES is ripping. It's time for the NASDAQ now, fellas. Let's see what Russell's doing. Not that I care. Yeah, Russell's up. Well above VWAP. Everything's above VWAP except NASCrackalacky. No. Nice trade nonetheless, fellas. I just don't think we're going to get this move till we get rid of Europe. Gold looks like it's trying to bounce in here, but German government considering classifying Spain as a COVID risk area. Come on, NASDAQ. You can go get 725 today. Clean close again through VWAP. Clean close. Now, come on. $329 negative delta. Rudy Giuliani suspended from practicing law in D.C. weeks after similar action in New York. How does he go from the greatest mayor New York ever had to losing his law license? Come on, NASDAQ. Guys, ordinarily, as you guys full well know in order flow, we get these closes through VWAP, it's rip central. The buyers get them and they don't let them go. We're still 15 handles away from blowing this thing up like a balloon. It's trying. We're going to fight this 48 again. Europe's gone in 3 minutes and 40 seconds. And I think they're now trying to leave these shorts sucking gas. Yep, I agree, Jeff. I mean, he was, he was just revered in September 11th. Great job for that city. Couple of interesting mayoral candidates now in New York. Guys, the negative delta is 39, 33. Come on, 92 contracts. Let's go. 117. Big buyer here, 211 at 40. Big seller sitting at 50 again. Same idiot. 132 contracts down to 122. 121. If this guy lifts, we're gone. We're fighting this same stupid area, 47, 48. But we've got 64 handles, 65 handles in this trade. Come on, rip this guy's guts out. Here we go. Here we go. He's still there at 50. He's got nerve, man. Hit 49 quarter. Gone. Chased him out. Bye. Green Delta. We got a green Delta. May not last, but we got a green Delta again. It's a big trade. I don't know. Does it, Ken? What do we have in this thing? 76. We're up 70 some odd handles. I don't know. Is it a monster trade? You guys give it a monster trade? Guys, we got to get a close, 5-minute close above this red. We're still stuck here. I think it's a monster trade. Back to a small red delta. They cannot get through this yet. No, 288 contracts for sale just jumped in. 290. I don't believe that's real. Let's see if he sticks around if we pop back up. 50. He keeps trying to sell 50 or at least press him at 50. Now he's got 300 offered. Let's see if he sticks around. I don't see any thighs being bought in here. It's 11:31. I'm about done here, guys. All right. We're in at 76. All right, I'm at 26. So 50 are locked in. That'll probably get hit.
Order filled.
All right, fellas. I closed it out. It's going to hit that stop. Guys, it's been a decent day. I hope you are all well green. I will be on Skype in a little bit. I'm going to take a break. I've got some things to do, one-on-ones, etc. But too much green? That's not a problem. I will see you guys all tomorrow. If anybody needs me, email me, and I will get right back to you. Okay, guys? Be blessed.